Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Being. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you that you can use in your WhatsApp. But before that, those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press that bell icon also and set the notifications to all. And if you like my video, then hit that like button and share my video as much as you can so that another people could also get to know about this. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, today's video is the best video of all times. So we'll start from the most common trick to the most unique trick. So presenting you the trick number 5. As you can see the 3 dots on the top of your screen, there you can see the option named settings. You have to go there and you can see the first option named account. You have to simply click on it. Here you can see the option named privacy, so you have to click on it. So now you can see that there are different options, so you have to click on last seen, and here if you don't want to share when you were last online, then click on the option named nobody. So now moving to the another option named read receipts. Here if you don't want that anybody should get to know that you have read his or her message, then you can turn this option off. Now moving towards the option named status. Here if you want that your status should be shown to only to your contacts, then you can choose that option and tick on the done option. Now as all of you may know that WhatsApp has an inbuilt function of WhatsApp calling. As you know that WhatsApp calling uses a lot of internet of yours. So I have a trick that can reduce the internet usage for WhatsApp calls. So moving towards the trick number 4. So for this trick we have to again go to the 3 dots that appear on the top of your screen, and then we have to go to the option named settings. So we are again here, but this time we have to go to the another option named data and storage usage. So as soon as you will click on the option named data and storage usage, an interface will open where you have to scroll down the screen and go to the option named low data usage. Here you have to switch this option on. So by doing this, your mobile data will not get exhausted when you are talking to your friend or relative. Now, as you all know that we share different photos and videos to our friends in our everyday life. So we need a mobile editing app for editing our pic, but WhatsApp has an inbuilt feature that you can use for editing the photo. So you can select any of your photograph from your gallery, or you can click a photograph from the camera option as you can see on the screen. So from here you can click your photograph, and as your photograph has been clicked, then you can see on the top of the screen that there is an emoji or circle shaped icon. You have to click there, and now you can see different types of emojis and symbols have been opened on your screen. So from here you can select the one which you like the most. So I selected it and I am adjusting in my face. So at the right side you can see the colors bar option. From there you can select the appropriate color. Here you can also add the caption if you want, but first of all I am adjusting this emoji and I need another one for my hand. So I will go back to the options from where I get the emoji, and as you can see on your screen that there are different types of emojis that you may have used while chatting with someone. So I should select this hand, this could be the appropriate one. So I hope you all understood the procedure for editing your pic using WhatsApp. So this is the simple way, and you can also enter the text if you want, as you can see the T option on the top of your screen. So from there you can enter the text, and I am sorry that I was not able to show you the text editing options because of some technical error, but I could explain you. First of all, you have to click on that text editing option, and from there you will see the same color adjustment bar. From there you could adjust the color, and if you will drag this color adjustment bar to the left side, then you can change the font of the text also. Now moving on to the next step. Here you will get to know that whom did you chat the most in WhatsApp in your lifetime. So for this you have to again go to the three dots that appears on the top of screen, and from there you have to go to the settings, and here you can see the option named data and storage. Now all of you can see the storage usage option on your screen, so you have to simply tap on it. After pressing this, you can see the different contact list is emerging out in my screen. So on the right side you can see the usage: 144.6 MB, 83.2 MB, 74.1 MB, on and on. Maybe some of you may know about this, but this is for those who did not know this thing. Now friends, as all of you may know that while chatting with different people, our font style remains the same, but we want that our font style should be changed so that our text should look amazing. So for that, let's move to our next trick and the last trick of this video, in which I'll tell you that how can we change the font style of the text while chatting with someone. So for that you have to follow the same procedure that I am doing. First of all, to make your text in bold, you have to use a sign of a star. So if you want that your text should appear in the bold font style, then you have to enter the text between two stars. So as you can see on the screen that my text is now in bold letters. Now moving towards part 2. If you want that your text should appear in the monospace font style, then you have to enter the text between these symbols. So I cannot spell it what is it, but as you can see on the screen, this is the appropriate sign for the symbol. And if you wish, you can also apply all the types of font styles in a same sentence, but first of all you should know that what are the different methods so that we could obtain the different types of font style. Now if you want your text in the strike through format, then you have to use this symbol, and as you can see on your screen, the format for writing the text in between these symbols. So for every kind of font styles, there are different types of symbols that you have to use for editing the text while using WhatsApp, and WhatsApp only permit 4 types of font style that are to be used while typing the text. Now if you want that your text should appear in the italics font style, then you have to use the symbol named underscore and write the text between it. Now friends, the thing that I am going to tell you will make your work easy. So let's see how. First of all, let me send the message in the italics format. So as you all can see that my message has been sent in the italics format. Now let me tell you all the thing which will make your work easy. So for that, first of all you have to type any text and you have to select it. So as you can see on the right screen, there are 3 dots, you have to simply tap on it. Oh, by mistake I deselect all, but no problem, we'll select it again. So on the right side you can see the 3 dots, so you have to simply tap on it, and now you can see the different font styles appearing on your screen that I have told you earlier. So you can see the different names, so I have clicked on the monospace because I like this font style. So you all can see that this has made your work easier. So I hope that you all have understood the things that were told in my video, and thank you for watching. And it's my humble request with you all, please share my video as much as you can. And if you want any other video of this kind or any video related to technology, then please ask me in the comment section and I'll surely bring it for you. So thank you for watching my video. So I hope you all enjoyed my video, and thank you for watching my video till the end, and at last don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.